Hello guys, to Silver Play Button, and this channel will be reach 1 million subscribers. So watch this video full time. Thank you so much. Hey, my dear lovely friends, please watch this video very carefully. Please do it very carefully. It's blade tattoo, and you can use it very easily at your home. So every tattoo lover love this tattoo so much. Please watch this full tricks. Okay, you can utilize these tricks at your home very easily. So you can gift this tattoo to your girlfriend or to your boyfriend or your favorite person. Okay, and it's so much amazing and interesting tattoo in the world, and it is almost popular, and this tattoo will be viral very soon. Please share this tattoo, my request. And this is fantastic tattoo idea. So first time use only gel pen or any ball pen. Ball pen will be better for you, and it will be stay many days. Okay, so at the last in the video I use a very interesting method to long lasting this tattoo.